Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about biggest shark facts that will surprise you. Before starting, consider subscribe for daily videos. So let's get start the facts. There is much about sharks that the average person doesn't know. Herein, you'll find the 15 most fascinating facts. Some will endear you, while others are sure to send you scrambling for sure. 1. Sharks do not have bones. Even though sharks don't have bones, they still can fossilize. As most sharks age, they deposit calcium salts in their skeletal cartilage to strengthen it. The dried jaws of a shark appear and feel heavy and solid, much like bone. These same minerals allow most shark skeletal systems to fossilize quite nicely. The teeth have enamel, so they show up in the fossil record too. 2. Most sharks have good eyesight. Most sharks can see well in dark lighted areas, have fantastic night vision, and can see colors. The back of sharks' eyeballs have a reflective layer of tissue called a tapetum. This helps sharks see extremely well with little light. 3. Sharks have special electroreceptor organs. Sharks have small black spots near the nose, eyes, and mouth. These spots are the ampullae of Lorenzini, special electroreceptor organs that allow the shark to sense electromagnetic fields and temperature shifts in the ocean. 4. Sharks can feel similar to sandpaper. Sharks can feel exactly like sandpaper because it is made up of tiny teeth-like structures called placoid scales, also known as dermal denticles. These scales point towards the tail and help reduce friction from surrounding water when the shark swims. 5. Sharks have been around a very long time. Based on fossil scales found in Australia and the United States, scientists hypothesize sharks first appeared in the ocean around 455 million years ago. 6. Not all sharks have the same teeth. Mako sharks have very pointed teeth, while white sharks have triangular, serrated teeth. Each leave a unique, telltale mark on their prey. A sandbar shark will have around 35,000 teeth over the course of its lifetime. 7. Different shark species reproduce in different ways. Sharks exhibit a great diversity in their reproductive modes. There are oviparous, egg-laying, species and viviparous, live-bearing, species. Oviparous species lay eggs that develop and hatch outside the mother's body with no parental care after the eggs are laid. 8. Sharks have a sixth sense. In addition to their killer sense of smell, sharks also can detect prey by tapping into the small electrical fields that other animals generate using tiny organs called the ampullae of Lorenzini. These small pores, located near their nostrils, around the head and beneath their snout, are something of a second sight. The pores connect to long, jelly-filled bulbs that connect to nerves below their skull. 9. And it's strongest in hammerheads. Hammerhead sharks have that funny-looking head for a reason. It contains a whopping 3,000 ampullar pores for picking up on electrical fields in the ocean. As MNN reports, the hammerhead's increased ampullae sensitivity helps it track down its favorite meal, stingrays, which are usually hidden under the sand. 10. The longest fish in the world is a type of shark. Reaching lengths of 40 feet long, the whale shark is seriously huge and holds the title of largest fish in the sea. But in the unlikely situation that you encounter one of these in the water, don't be alarmed. Their main meal is plankton, which they eat by filter feeding, in which they scoop up a huge amount of ocean water and scoop out the tiny plants and animals. It's tough to catch a person in that. 11. There are literal hundreds of shark species. All told, there are almost 500 species of shark, including angel, bullhead, carpet, and dogfish sharks, not to mention weasel, mackerel, crocodile, zebra, and even cat sharks. They range in size from a few inches to 40 feet long, living in a wide range of habitats and boasting a strange assortment of physical characteristics. 12. No, not all sharks live in the ocean. Just when you thought it was safe to go back into the lake, While sharks live in all of the world's oceans, a few species are also known to inhabit freshwater lakes and rivers. For example, bull sharks are found in tropical rivers and have evolved to swim between salt and fresh water. River sharks, true to their name, have been found in rivers in areas of South Asia, New Guinea, and Australia. 13. Some sharks are pregnant for 2 years. You thought 9 months seemed like a while, but the spiny dogfish species of shark can take 2 years to gestate before delivery, making it the longest gestation period of any vertebrate. 14. Female sharks can be impregnated by multiple partners at once. Female sharks have been known to use the sperm from multiple males when they reproduce, meaning that pups they give birth to at the same time may be just half siblings. In one study, 36% of the litters looked at were fathered by 2 males instead of 1. 15. They don't sleep at all. At least, they don't sleep like humans. Since some species have to continue swimming in order to breathe, instead of falling into a deep sleep, sharks remain semi-conscious,